Hello, I'm Sam.
No, I'm Sam. You're Lauren. Oh dear.
Hello, I'm Lauren.
Hello, I'm Sam.
And today we are making a cake.
A cake? What cake?
A Victoria sponge cake.
Is it going to be a big cake?
Maybe. First we're going to show you the ingredients you need. We have a new oven. First we need to preheat the oven to 180 degrees.
First, we're going to wash our hands. First, we need to put butter into our cake trays so we can put greaseproof paper in them.
We need 200 grams of caster sugar.
Add it into your mixing bowl. Now we need 200 grams of butter. Add it to the bowl. Give it a little tap to get every last bit of butter out. Now we need to add in 200 grams of self-raising flour. Now we need to add the flour into the mixing bowl. We've made a little bit of a mess, but that's okay.
Now we need to add 4 eggs into a bowl and mix them together before we add them to our mixing bowl. Now we mix. Now we add the mixture into our big bowl.
Now it's time to do some mixing. All together now. Mixing, it's time to do some mixing. Mixing, let's mix it all today.
Now we need to add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 1. Now we need to add 2 tablespoons of milk. 1, 2. Excellent. Now it's time to mix it all together.
Now it's time to put our batter into these 2 tins. We need equal amounts in each one. So one will be the top and one will be the bottom of the cake. It's okay if you make a bit of a mess. You can use either a spatula or the back of your wooden spoon to smooth out the batter. Now we need to put our batters in the oven.
You will need an adult to do this for you.
Be careful, it will be hot. The cakes need to bake for about 20 minutes. An adult will need to help you check if they're ready.
Lauren! While we're waiting...
We can clean up our mess we made earlier.
Brilliant idea!
You can either use raspberry jam or strawberry jam. It's up to you. We're using raspberry jam.
Don't forget me, guys, the whipped cream.
Once the adult has checked that they're ready to go, you need to leave them on the side.
Cool down for about 10 minutes until they're nice and cool. Now we need to make the filling, the buttercream. We need 100 grams of butter.
Now we need 140 grams of icing sugar. Now we need to gradually mix them all together. Now we need to add a tiny drop of vanilla extract. Lauren, is it time to spread the buttercream on the cake yet?
Not quite.
Oh, have we still got to wait for it to cool down?
Just a little bit longer.
Okay then.
Now it's time to spread. If it's still a bit runny, leave it to set for a little while. While we're waiting for the cake and its spread to set, what do we do now?
I know what time it is. It's time to tidy up. It's time to tidy up. It's time to tidy up today.
Do we have to do this every time? You will need an adult to help you cut these because they may need a sharp knife, but you can help by putting them on the cake afterwards.
Now we need to make sure they're nice and clean, ready to go on top of the cake. Now it's time to put them together. So gently. like that. Now we're going to gently dust the cake with some icing sugar.
Now it's time to add some more decoration to our cake. But where's the whipped cream gone?
I'm over here.
Woo!
You need to leave the cake in the fridge for about 40 minutes, so it will be nice and set and ready to cut. Now we're going to try the cake. I'm excited.
Oh, I can't wait to taste the jam.
It's really nice and fluffy.
This tastes really good.
You could make this for the people you live with.
Thank you for watching. See you soon.
Bye!